This is a lesson on building numbers 80 through 89. Eight tens, 0 units. 110, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 8 tens and 0 units is called 80. This is number 80. 8 tens and 1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81. 8 tens and 1 unit is called 81. This is number 81. 8 tens and 2. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. 8 tens and 2 units is called 82. This is number 82. 8 tens and 3. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. 8 tens and 3 units is called 83. This is number 83. 8 tens and 4. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. 8 tens and 4 units is called 84. This is number 84. 8 tens and 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 8 tens and 5 units is called 85. This is number 85. 8 tens and 6. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. 8 tens and 6 units is called 86. This is number 86. 8 tens and 7. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. 8 tens and 7 is called 87. This is number 87. 8 tens and 8. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. 8 tens and 8 units is called 88. This is number 88. 8 tens and 9. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 8 tens and 9 units is called 89. This is number 89. And that is how you build numbers 80 to 89.